You have a Samsung tablet, all right, and recently you realize that it just won't charge. What do? Do you grab for your tools to attempt to fix it? What do you think? No, just joking. You most definitely will not need any of these tools here to resolve such a problem or to attempt to resolve such a problem. Hey, my name is Roger, and in the video today, as you would most likely would have figured out already, I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to take you through just a few basic troubleshooting steps you can use to assist you to resolve, such a problem. You have your Samsung tablet and it just won't charge. All right, and these steps will enable you to fix it at home, as I mentioned, and to save you some money, so you don't have to run to your local technician. All right, so please watch through until the end. In the troubleshooting process, it really entails eliminating particular problems to identify exactly what the issue is. All right. Now, if you're having a problem where your Samsung tablet is not charging, start with the most obvious thing. So, is it plugged in? Yes, it's something as simple as that, right? So ensure that it is plugged in to whatever you normally connected to, and that it is connected properly. So whether it's to a surge protector, UPS, or if you're connected directly to the wall outlet, which is something that I don't recommend to persons, that you plug your devices directly into the wall outlet because of the unhealthy current that would often come through the line. So ensure that it is connected properly. Also ensure that the other end, right, so the brick should be properly connected to your electrical source, and ensure that the other end now, so this is type C, is it? Yeah, is connected properly to the charging port of the tablet. All right. Now, step number 2 is, let us presume that you've done all of that, connections are okay. Then you may want to swap bricks, or even to ensure, before you even get to swapping the brick, um, check to ensure that the cable is connected securely, that it is secured to the brick, because it can be, for whatever reason, it may have been pulled out, and so it is not making complete contact with the internal structures of the port, the USB port on the brick. So you want to get that out of the way. All right. All right. So you may want to swap bricks. So you may want to go and get another brick and to connect that cable to it. Go through the whole process again. Connect it to the electrical outlet or to your electrical source. The other end, of course, to the charging port of your tablet, and to see if that works. Now, if that still doesn't work, then, and of course, let me just mention that when the brick that you will be swapping, in the process to test it, and you have to ensure that the brick works properly. So you want to eliminate that, make sure that it is working okay before you introduce it into the troubleshooting process. All right. You may even want to, your original brick and cable, you may also want to even take them and connect them to another device to see if it is actually the device itself, your device, that is your Samsung tablet, that is a problem, or it is the brick or possibly the cable that is the problem. All right, you see how simple these things are. All right. Yes. So brick, swap it. All right. So you swap it, you're still not getting any positive results, the tablet is still not coming on. What do you do next? You can consider swapping the cable. So get another cable, and of course it should be one which should be able to fit with the same type of port end that can fit the port of your tablet. So you want to swap the cable, go through the process again, connect it to the brick, connect the other end to the end of your the charging port of the tablet, and yes, of course, connect it to the electrical outlet. I don't know if I'd said that before, and power it on and see if it works. All right. All right. So you have done all of that. You have checked the brick, the cable, your electrical outlet works okay, or whatever it is that you are connecting it to, your power strip or surge protector or UPS, the port on that electrical port works okay. Then you may want to go to examine now the charging port of the tablet. So you may want to look. So there is a little thing inside here. Alright. Yeah, you may want to check to see if it is broken. You may also want to check to see if dust, because you know, over a period of time and based on the exposure of the of your Samsung tablet to the various elements, dust may actually get clogged up inside there and may prevent it from, you know, working as it should. You may want to do a close examination. You probably may want to just try to blow it out, right? Or if you have compressed air, the can air, you may want to direct the nozzle there and just see if you can blow it out, and then you go again and you test it. If the well, sometimes you find too that male part there inside the charging port that it may become broken. In a case like that, it may need to be restarted. So if you are not equipped to do such a thing, then you may necessarily need to bring it into the technician shop to have that fixed. All right. But as I said, check to see, ensure that that male part there, that it is pretty much secure, that there's no dust there, and yeah. All right. All right. So you've done all of that. It still doesn't work. Then you may want to do a reset. Now to do a reset, what you do is to hold down the power button, and it has to be done at the same time. So hold on the power button along with the down volume button. All right, and then you get to a screen where it enables you to do it enables you to reset the tablet. All right. So you have done that. Still no result. There are some other possibilities. So it is possible that the motherboard of the unit may be damaged. That's one possibility. And let me just say to here too that you have to consider too the life of the unit. Typically your Samsung tablet will run you about 2 to perhaps 4 or 5 years. Alright, so you want to consider that. You may want to consider also if the unit was actually opened before. So did anybody, or including yourself, open the device before? If that was the case, it is possible that some ribbons may be shifted inside there. For instance, the ribbon that connects the display to the motherboard, it may be dislodged, and so even though you turn it on or you charge it, if the ribbon is dislodged from the board, the motherboard which is supposed to be connected, then definitely when you turn it on you will not see anything on the screen, right? Because it will not be getting any signal. So that is something that you want to also give some consideration to. All right, so there it is. I would have shared with you about 6 or 7 troubleshooting tips that you could use to help you to just go through the process of troubleshooting a situation where your Samsung tablet is not charging. All right, what do you think about these tips? Any other tip that you would care to share to troubleshoot such a problem? You can drop them in the comment section. All right, so again, my name is Roger. Thank you for watching, and let me invite you to subscribe to my channel if you have gotten value from this video and other videos that I've done. Please go ahead and hit the subscription button, and remember also the notification bell, so that when I drop a new video you'll be automatically notified. And remember also to like and to share the videos. All right, so until the next video, see you again. Take care.